Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the source and capture tools so the live wallpaper looks fluid. First, pick a high-resolution, loop-friendly YouTube video. This reduces visual seams. Once chosen, install OBS or a screen recorder and set output to 1080p or higher, 60 FPS and a high bitrate so compression artifacts disappear. Make sure your device supports continuous background play or an app that hosts live wallpapers. Now that capture settings are locked, you're ready to record a clean looped clip. Next, you edit and convert the recording into a proper live wallpaper clip. Trim the clip to a short 5 to 30 second segment that repeats well, and add a tiny crossfade of 1/4 to 1/2 second to hide cuts. Export using a hardware encoder like NVENC or VOPI to keep CPU load low. Choose MP4 or WebM depending on your target platform. Once exported, play the file on your device to verify frame pacing and silence, because audio must be off for wallpaper use. Finally, you install the clip as a live wallpaper using the appropriate app for your platform. On Android, open a live wallpaper app and point it to your MP4/WebM file, set loop behavior and scale to fill or crop. On Windows or Mac OS, use an animated desktop tool and assign the video. Make sure power-saving modes allow background activity. If it fails, check permissions, disable battery saver, and confirm the app supports your codec. Convert to a widely compatible format if needed and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.